Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. So in Quran studies today, I'm going to be doing Surah Mutaffifin from ayah number 14 to 17. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayah number 14 says, Kalla bal rana ala kulubihim ma kanu yaksibun. And it means, but no, in fact their hearts have been stained by all evil they used to commit. So, yaksibun means earn. So, Quran is the word of Allah revealed to His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and not what the disbelievers used to say, like Asatirul Awwaleen or the stories of the past. The only thing that blocked their hearts from believing in it is that the covering that is cast upon their hearts because of their sins. So, because of their disbelief and their sins, their hearts were covered, and as a result of this, they were not able to get guidance from the Quran, even though it's complete guidance for everyone. So this is Kalla bal rana ala kulubihim ma kanu yaksibun, and then the next ayah is Kalla innahum ar rabbihim yawma izil lamahjubun, and it means that undoubtedly they will be sealed off from their Lord on that day. Lamahjubun means surely will be a partition. So the disbelievers will be veiled from seeing their Lord, that they will not be able to see Allah, the Creator, on Judgment Day, because seeing Allah would be the greatest blessing upon the believers on that day. And we all pray to Allah that we be among those who see Him on that day. So the disbelievers, they will be lamahjubun, there will be a hijab between them and Allah, and they won't be able to get pleasure from that side. So Kalla innahum ar rabbihim yawma izil lamahjubun, and the next ayah is Summa innahum laswalul jahim, and it means that moreover they will surely burn in hell. Laswalu means surely will burn. So there is no doubt about it that they will burn in hell. And then the next ayah, which is the last ayah for today, is Summa yuqalu hazal lazi kuntum bihi tukazzibun, and it means that then be told, this is what you used to deny. Tukazzibun means deny. So the people that used to deny, that who deny the ayahs of Allah and who denied the messenger and what he brought for us in this world, they will be told that this is what you used to deny. When they will see Jahannam, when they will see the hell in front of their eyes, they will be told, they will be asked that is it not true, because they used to call all of this a lie. So on that day they won't be able to deny it because they will see it in front of their own eyes. So these were the ayahs for today. Let's just revise them real quick. Kalla bal rana ala kulubihim ma kanu yaksibun. So these people, they are not able to get guidance from the Quran because their hearts are covered because of what the sins that they do. Kalla innahum ar rabbihim yawma izil lamahjubun, and on that day there's going to be a veil, a hijab between them and the sight of Allah. They won't be able to see Him. Summa innahum laswalul jahim, so they will burn in hell on that day. Summa yuqalu hazal lazi kuntum bihi tukazzibun, and that will be, they will be told that this is the thing that you used to deny in this world. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, I'll continue further tomorrow. Fi amanillah.